Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Ed Sheeran found not liable in copyright lawsuit. A jury has found Ed Sheeran not liable in a lawsuit filed against him for alleged copyright infringement over his 2014 single Thinking Out Loud. The unanimous verdict was reached about 3 hours after the deliberation started by 7 jurors in a New York City courtroom on Thursday.
If the jury had decided this matter the other way, we might as well say goodbye to the creative freedom of songwriters. We need to be able to write our original music and engage in independent creation without worrying at every step of the way that such creativity will be wrongly called into question. Like artists everywhere, Amy and I work hard to independently create songs which are often based around real-life personal experience. It's devastating to be accused of stealing someone else's song when we put so much work into our livelihoods.
In a jury trial that went on for more than a week, Sheeran was accused by structured asset sales of lifting direct elements of the Marvin Gaye classic Let's Get It On for his Grammy-winning single. Now the king and queen of dancehall for Irama, Spice and Beanie Man, will be at the Irama's 40th Anniversary Awards this weekend. The information was shared at the official press conference for the awards last night. Spice, who returned to the performance stage in the last 2 months, is to make her appearance this Sunday. An excited Ephraim Martin, organizer of the awards, spoke to the excitement to be here in Jamaica for the 40th staging.
We didn't realize that we were going to be here 40 years later, still celebrating. We just wanted respect for the music in those days and for those outstanding entertainers to be recognized. It's a wonderful experience. It's a wonderful journey. We are very pleased, especially to be celebrating it in Jamaica, the land of reggae. There could be no better place to be celebrating at this time.
For the 40th Irama, special recognition will be given to those who contributed to the building of the reggae industry.
Because this was so significant, 40 years, we thought we should, at least do a good amount for the ones who are there still working after 60 years and 40 years, like VP Records. 60 years. And when you talk about the Gleaner Company as an institution, it's unbelievable. The oldest newspaper in the world. People talk about all the other so-called popular newspaper, but fail to realize that the oldest newspaper in the world coming out of Jamaica, the Jamaica Daily Gleaner.
Irama is scheduled for Sunday at the Pegasus with a live red carpet event on RETV starting at 6 o'clock. Now Missy Elliott becomes the first female rapper to be inducted in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. The singer was on Wednesday named an inductee to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in the category of performer. An excited Missy tweeted, "I want to say this is huge, not just for me, but for all my sisters in hip-hop. This door is now open." Meanwhile, Jamaican DJ Kool Herc, who is one of the pioneers of hip-hop music, will also be inducted for his contribution to that genre that celebrates its 50th anniversary this year. DJ Kool Herc is the third Jamaican inductee following Bob Marley in 1994 and Jimmy Cliff in 2010. The induction ceremony will be held in November. Congrats to all the inductees. I'm Daedrian reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.